Hello everyone and welcome back to my Intro to Unreal Engine 4 tutorial series. In this video I'm going to cover decals. Decals are great to kind of break up monotonous textures and give the scene more life and make it look less tiled and repetitive and so on and so forth. So I'll show you some examples of that and we'll give it a try. I'm grabbing my examples today just from textures.com, not trying to plug it, but they do have, I don't know how you get to it, but if you click into any of these, there's a section here for decals. So there's like a whole section of decals. Knock yourself out. It's just a good resource I wanted to share. So I got a couple from there. Let's see. Here's what I got. I'm going to drag in. I tried the graffiti and the blood already. Show you in a second. I'm going to drag these guys in and see how they work. So this will maybe make one of these walls look less boring. So just drag those in. No big deal. Let's do this one looks fun first. So it's like exposed brick. I'm going to right click that one. Create material. I don't really care what it is because I'm in a hurry. And that's our material. Let me open it up. Couple different things we need to do about this one. Click on the main node here. Change the blend mode to translucent because we're going to want to have it kind of cut out. Click on the texture sample right here and change the sampler, sorry, let's see, not sampler type, what the heck is it? Oh, there we go. Sorry, it's on the main node. Under material domain, go to deferred decal. And translucent. Okay, so it should show up kind of clearish like that so far. It's because we haven't told. So, RGB right here is red as we get out of our monitors, and A is cut things out. So if I'm just going to use that alpha channel and plug it into opacity, it should use that information to cut it out. We'll see better on a square maybe. Yeah, so you can see it's kind of cut out in the shape we want. Apparently it's better to connect this to emissive rather than base color. Gives it just a bit more pop. I think that's about it. Let's apply that. I'm going to make a new decal, so I'll just find it in here. Decal, just drag one in. It'll plop down this temporary thing. You can see how it kind of tries to project the image over the scene. So we're going to do that. We're going to swap out our image for this one. So our materials right here that we made, you're just going to drag that over this material, and now we have our own. This one seems a wee bit big, so you can scale these down and stuff. But so you can see it doesn't work in certain directions. It's because I wanted to have it project that direction. We can just turn it. Oh, actually, I think it's flipped around. It's on both sides. You get the idea. That's kind of not working for me, but let's try again. Yeah, I'm not feeling that one as much. My first attempt was better. I'm going to post all these images for you guys to play with. Decal. Let me put that one on, and then this graffiti looked pretty good, I think. So rotate it again to the correct direction. Good enough. And you can see it kind of projects over all these different surfaces. I did a blood one that didn't work out amazing. So, I mean, I didn't make these. When you're making your own normals and stuff, your own alphas, you're going to want to do better than this in Photoshop, but this is just a demo. I'll try one more. I'll try this last one. So we'll just right click just to have it, do it twice here. We'll create material, open it up, tell it that we want it to be, the material domain is deferred decal, blend mode, translucent, that's all good. And then plug the alpha into opacity and plug this into emissive. Oh, and to break these connections, you can just right there. And hopefully that'll work. Apply. Let's see how it looks in the level. Doesn't look bad. So I just don't like this one at all. A lot of the time you'll do, I also don't really like that material. A lot of the time you'll, if you want it to look decent, you'll put like water stains where the walls hit the floor and stuff like that. Let's line this guy up. It's a bit much. Let's see. Yeah, it's way too big. So you can scale these however you want. These are, you're not really worried about keeping them any sort of way as long as they look okay. These are just kind of decorations you're adding at the end. Let's see, fade. Yeah, so you'll get some of these weird stretching problems if you don't do it correctly, but that's the idea. So hopefully that was some help. Take your time though, make better decals than this, but yeah, try these and see how it works, and hopefully this will make your levels look a little less repetitive and boring and bland. It's a good, easy way to spice your levels up. Simple to get images from the internet, and really bring some life into your scene and makes them look cool with minimal effort, honestly. And it runs pretty fast still at runtime, so it doesn't take up much memory or anything. All right, guys. Well, hope that was informative, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.